Hello, so on today's list is jade plant, which I will be repotting because it has been many years and I bought this plant when it was this tiny. It was a gift and I want to prune it a little bit to make it more bushier. So let's do it. This jade plant comes in various varieties and it's one of the most easiest plant, especially for beginners. And I have removed the plant from this pot. I'm using this same clay pot. You can use terracotta pot so that extra water evaporates. Because it's a succulent, it doesn't need a lot of watering. It stores water in its leaves. I am removing it and it was growing in 100% sand, but I will be adding my own succulent soil mix which I use for succulents and cactus. This plant requires good amount of sunlight, so I have kept it on terrace where it gets I think around 5 hours of sunlight. Yeah, and if you see any yellowing of leaves, it might be because of it's getting way too much sunlight or because you're overwatering, so that's why the leaves shed. Also, leaves becomes yellow when they get old, but that's totally fine. For one day I will keep it under shaded area and the next day I will keep it in its same place, and I do not give them liquid fertilizers or do not give any other fertilizers because this soil mix already has compost which is good enough for many years, and I use plain tap water for my cactus and succulents. If you want to make a jade plant look bushy, just prune it and give it some time to grow. Also, I have put some plants on sale on my Instagram handle Woke Up Fluffy. You can check the highlights and more information is mentioned in the description. I will meet you soon.